African penguin adult is approximately 27 inches tall and weighs 7 to 8 pounds. The back of the bird is black and the front is white. A white band reaches from the top of the bill above the eye and around the back of the face. African penguins nest in burrows where the ground is suitable, or on the ground, either wholly or partly under bushes or boulders. They catch their prey by pursuit diving and mainly feed on small, shoaling fish such as anchovy, along with some cephalopods and crustaceans. These penguin colonies are found along offshore islands and occasionally on the mainland of southeast South Africa and on the South African west coast. In the wild, African penguins are listed as vulnerable. The combination of commercialized egging in the 18th and 19th centuries, man's overfishing, and oil pollution has reduced the population to a fraction of what it once was.